the unbelievers came forth to the Prophet and they told him, we reject your prophethood. You're not a messenger. You're not a prophet of God. The Prophet told them, I have two witnesses. The first one is who? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. God is my witness that I am a true messenger. How is God a witness for the Prophet? God didn't talk to them directly like He spoke to Moses alayhi salam. So how is it that God is going to witness that the Prophet is truthful? Through the Holy Quran. This Holy Quran is testimony from God, proof from God that I am truthful. Because my book is a miracle. When you look at the Holy Quran, you analyze the Holy Quran, it's a miracle. So the Quran tells you that the Prophet is a true messenger. Indeed, the Holy Quran in its eloquence, in its content, in its delivery, in its scientific discoveries is nothing but a miracle. 14 centuries ago, the Holy Quran says the universe is expanding all the time. وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ. How did someone 14 centuries ago know this? Isn't this a miracle? The Holy Quran tells us that God created every living thing from water. Who would know that 14 centuries ago? That every living organism must come from water. The source, the origin of it is water. The Holy Quran, for example, in one verse says, and you look at the mountains, you consider them fixed, but they're moving. This is a reference to what? Tectonic plates. The mountains, these huge mountains, even the Himalayan mountains, as big as they are, they're moving. Every year, they're moving. Throughout thousands and millions of years, they've moved thousands of miles. Who would know this 14 centuries ago? So the Holy Quran is truly a miracle. Now when you examine the literary aspect, that's a whole discussion. Allah is the first witness through the Holy Quran. Who is the second witness that the Prophet mentions? The one who has the full knowledge of the book. وَمَنْ عِنْدَهُ عِلْمُ الْكِتَابِ. Who was the one who had the full knowledge of ilm al-kitab? According to Muslim scholars, mufassirin, exegetes of the Quran, who is the one who had the knowledge of the Quran, of the book of Allah? None other than the commander of the faithful, Ali ibn Abi Talib salawatullahi alayhi. When they challenged the Prophet with his message, with Islam, he told them, my witness is Ali ibn Abi Talib. Is there a status greater than this, brothers and sisters? For the Prophet to assign by the order of God Ali ibn Abi Talib to be his witness. Ali ibn Abi Talib, he himself must be a miracle to witness. Because the Prophet's message is miraculous in nature, right? So if you want to witness, you can't just get any witness because they're not going to accept him if he's just an average witness. The witness whom the Prophet showed them, that witness, he himself must be a miracle for them to accept him. Otherwise, they would have rejected him. Indeed, when you look at Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam, he was nothing short of a miracle. A walking miracle, a talking miracle. Every word that he said was miraculous. When we examine the Imam's miraculous words when it comes to scientific discoveries, his genius methods, it's truly miraculous.